What's up, everybody? This is Derek with Fungi's Farm, and today we are in the lab working with agar plates. Now, the plates that I'm using are malt extract agar, and these things are pretty amazing once you get the hang of using them. What they do is they allow you to have a clean, controlled environment to grow out your mycelium and observe it for any contaminations. So stick around because this step is key if you want consistent, high quality mushrooms. So we're going to fast forward a little bit to give you guys a better view and understanding of what's going on. Here I'm going to start shaking up my syringe because the mycelium inside of the syringe will start to clump up, and shaking it up, giving it a few taps that breaks it apart to make sure that you have proper inoculation of the agar plates. Once you have the mycelium nice and broken up, you can start to heat sterilize the tip of the syringe by either using a lighter. Sometimes people use a torch or a alcohol burner. What you're looking for is the tip of the syringe to be cherry red. Some people do the whole needle. I've gotten away with just doing the tip. Once you got the syringe heated up, you have to cool it off before you inject it onto the agar plates. You can do this by wiping it onto the alcohol prep rag that you have, or you can dip it into the agar plate itself, or you can use the air from the laminate floor hood for about 20 seconds should be enough to cool off the needle. And then when you're ready, you can inject it onto your agar plates. You can either do like a circle, a few drops, or like a Z pattern. Then as a precaution, I like to wipe off my needle before I store it back, just so I'm not transferring any contaminations that may have gotten on it. And now on to the parafilm. This stuff can be a little finicky at times, especially if you have like old parafilm or you just got a bad batch. What I like to do is fold mine in half, and as I'm wrapping it around the plate, I kind of like to push the plate away from me as I'm stretching it around. It just seems to help me better, but this takes a little bit of time to get used to before you find a way that works best for you. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and continue to follow along as we continue our journey here at Fungi's Farm.